There is a history YouTube channel that's currently growing at an insane pace, Matt Reconstructs History. With only 10 videos, this channel has already gained over 74,000 subscribers, even though it started less than 2 months ago. There's another channel called Tim Reborn History that reached more than 38,000 subscribers in just 1 month with only 4 videos. Using this exact video style, these channels have managed to pull in hundreds of thousands and even millions of views. And here's the best part, all of these videos can be created using AI, and even better, this is a completely faceless idea, meaning there's no need to appear on camera at all. In today's video, I'm gonna reveal the secret behind these videos and show you exactly how to create highly engaging historical content that genuinely feels like a real documentary. I'll also break down all the techniques and growth strategies these channels are using to scale so fast. Now let's get to the most exciting part, the income. According to Social Blade, this channel is making over $4,000 per month. In the history niche, the average RPM usually ranges between $4 and $7. But if you create longer videos, you can push that number even higher. I'll place all the prompts I use in this video inside the description so you can easily use them and customize them for yourself. Before we jump into the full training, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. Now let's watch a short demo of the video we're about to create.
Manhattan just as the 20th century is about to begin. The air smells of coal smoke, salt water, and sweat. Steam whistles scream from the harbor. Horse hooves strike stone streets. You expect to see skyscrapers slicing into the sky, but they aren't there. Not yet. Instead, the city stretches outward, dense and crowded.
First, I want to share the hidden secret this channel uses to find winning topics. One of its core techniques is using location-based and time-based keywords. That means it goes directly after places and time periods people are actively searching for on Google and YouTube, like London 1600s or ancient Rome. This dramatically increases the chances of ranking in search results. The second technique is visualization. Using the word reconstruction sends a powerful message to the viewer. You're about to see something you've never seen before. When these two techniques are combined, they create strong viral potential. Now, the real question is, how can we find similar titles and topics ourselves? In this section, I'll show you 2 methods. The first method is to go to your target channel, select and copy all of its video titles, then head over to ChatGPT, paste those titles in, and ask it to generate new ideas based on the same patterns. This way, you're using the exact same proven strategy, but with fresh topics. The second method is using a ready-made prompt that I've prepared for you. Just copy it, paste it into ChatGPT, and it will generate a list of professional topic ideas along with clear explanations. By using these 2 methods, you'll always have access to thousands of new, high-quality content ideas. The next step is script writing, and there are 2 key points you need to keep in mind. First, on YouTube, if you don't grab the viewer's attention within the first 30 seconds, they'll likely click away. That's why your intro needs strong, compelling hooks to keep people engaged and watching. Second, since your videos are based on visual reconstructions, your script should help viewers feel the scenes. Using descriptive language and sensory details that engage all 5 senses will make your audience connect deeply with the visuals. Now, to write a script that applies all these techniques, simply copy the script prompt from the doc file and paste it into ChatGPT. At the end of the prompt, there's a designated spot where you insert your video title. I plug in one of my ideas and hit enter, and GPT immediately starts generating the script. Using this method, you can even create scripts for videos over 30 minutes long. Now that our script is ready, it's time to move on to voiceover. There are a few crucial points to keep in mind. First and foremost, never use robotic or artificial sounding voices. The voice you choose needs to match the tone and atmosphere of your video to have the strongest impact on your audience. That's why it's important to use professional, high-quality tools for this step. For this tutorial, I'm using DupDub. Simply click on AI Voiceover to enter the voice creation section. From the voice library, you can listen to different samples and select the one that fits your video best. If you want voices that match a historical or storytelling vibe, switch to the Historical Stories tab where you'll find options tailored for that style. For example, I'll choose the voice named Josh. Next, go back to ChatGPT, copy the script we prepared, and paste it into DupDub. Then click Generate to create your voiceover. Finally, you can easily download the finished audio in WAV or MP3 format from the export section. Now we've reached the crucial part, creating the video. To get the best results, we first need to generate images and then turn them into video. Initially, I considered using Dreamia for this step, but during testing, for reasons I'm not entirely sure of, the video creation process would freeze at 99% and never finish. That's why for this tutorial, I'm using Meta AI. To start, simply copy the image prompt command and paste it into GPT. It will create image prompts based on your script. Once the prompts are ready, copy them, open Meta AI, paste the prompt, select the 16:9 aspect ratio, and click Generate. As you'll see, the output images are high quality and professional, perfectly suited for our project. To turn these images into video, click Animate, and the selected image will be converted into a cinematic style video. The result looks incredibly realistic and captures the exact atmosphere needed for this type of content. If you want to customize the video and create the exact scene you envision, you can use the video prompt command. Ask GPT to generate a video prompt based on the image prompts you already created. Then download the image you want, upload it back into Meta AI, paste the video prompt, and click Generate. In no time, you'll have a professional, high-quality video ready to use in your final project. Honestly, the output is so cinematic, it reminds me of Mafia 2. Now, it's time to move on to the final step. Now that all the videos are ready, it's time to move on to the editing stage. But before we dive into editing, based on your requests, I've prepared a thumbnail prompt you can use. Just copy the prompt and paste it into GPT. It will generate 3 professional thumbnail commands based on your script. You can then customize and improve them, and finally use Leonardo AI to generate your final thumbnails for your videos. For editing, I use CapCut for Windows. Start by importing all your audio and video files into CapCut. I begin with the audio, placing it on the timeline first. Then add the video clips. Make sure the visuals perfectly match the narration so everything flows naturally. Once all the videos are on the timeline, it's time for transitions. To make scene changes smooth and professional, I use the black fade transition. It's perfect for this style of content. Next, we add captions. Go to the caption section and click Generate. This step might take a little time, but once done, make sure to check that the subtitles are accurate and properly synced. You can also use the template section to style your captions and make them more visually appealing. The final step is adding music. I recommend using YouTube's audio library. Search for classical or historical tracks, download the one that fits best, and import it into CapCut. Trim any extra parts and lower the volume slightly so it doesn't overpower the narration. And that's it! Your project is now ready to export in high quality. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you liked the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future content. Also, check out the recommended videos at the end. They're a great resource. I'll see you soon with a new video and a fresh niche.
Manhattan just as the 20th century is about to begin. The air smells of coal smoke, salt water, and sweat. Steam whistles scream from the harbor. Horse hooves strike stone streets. You expect to see skyscrapers slicing into the sky, but they aren't there. Not yet. Instead, the city stretches outward, dense and crowded. A low-rise giant packed with people, ambition, and noise. This is New York in 1900, a city on the brink of becoming the modern metropolis we know today. And in this video, I've used AI reconstruction to bring that exact moment back to life. Street by street, port by port, neighborhood by neighborhood, based on photographs, maps, census records, and historical accounts. This isn't the New York of glass towers and digital billboards. This is the city before the vertical explosion, when its power came from human energy, immigration, industry, and movement. Picture yourself walking here, not as a tourist, but as someone trying to survive, work, and build a future. Let's step into it.